what happened. Ugh. But I've been trapped somewhere. Me, the cameraman. I've been trapped. I don't know where I am, but I've been trapped somewhere around here. I've been trapped by... all I remember was I saw the What the Heck kids, but they got mashed and mauled to defeat by a watery figure. I don't know, but he kidnapped me. And I can't escape this room because outside he's got the water and rain covering me. I can't escape. Wait, he's here. I'm the mini lake. Die. No! No!
Oh, this cameraman. He's just another way for me to get to King Toad Gamer and Smartly Funny. April 8th. It's over on April 8th.